Ahead of Google's first ever launch night in, Google sent out a surprise care package to select media and influencers. But what's inside? Well, let's take a look. Unfortunately, Google only selected one member of the 9 to 5 Google team to receive this wonderful little care package. Our lucky recipient was Ben, who is no doubt enjoying said goodies right about now, the little fiend. So open up that large launch night in embossed box, and there are a number of things with some chamomile tea and a porter mug clearly telling us to chill out and kick back. As is customary with any entertainment medium, there is some microwave popcorn, perfect for binging Netflix or launch night in front of the TV. There are also some companion sweet treats which include a bag of Skittles and some Starburst, which for the educated is perfect for a serving of Andy's mouth surprise.
What's your favorite food?
Well, I take Skittles and I put it between 2 Starbursts. You know what I call it?
Skittle sandwich.
That's pretty good. No, I call it Andy's mouth surprise.
The only other addition to this care package, which you might not be able to pick up on online stores, are some neat Google branded socks, ideal for the jazzy gent or lady. Google has also snuck in another little package, and it is the real star of the show, and that being the brand new Google Chromecast, codenamed Sabrina. This of course is the first step into an Android TV future for the traditional Chromecast. Let's get it unboxed though and show you just what's inside. Taken out of the box, you can see the matte plastic finish is no different from the 3rd generation Chromecast, although it does have a slightly larger dongle shape. But unlike the 3rd generation Chromecast, we finally have a dedicated remote here. For anyone that's used a remote for any other piece of tech, it's a sort of familiar pill-shaped remote that takes 2 AAA batteries, so no fiddling around with smaller, more intricate watch batteries and this remote. As for the remote control buttons themselves, there is a back, home, mute and dedicated assistant buttons, plus a dedicated Netflix and YouTube button to quickly launch into arguably the 2 biggest streaming platforms out there. Of course, Google has now announced the new 2020 Chromecast and will have a full review in the coming days, along with hands-on or reviews of all of the new late 2020 made by Google hardware. Of course, if you have any questions about any of those, then slap them down in the comment section and we'll do our best to answer them. But until next time, this is Damien with 9 to 5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.